Assalamu alaikum. Hello friends, welcome back my YouTube channel Rimsha Decoration. I hope all my viewers are fine and enjoy the day of life. If you know about my YouTube channel or all like video, then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. And please make sure press the bell icon so you told any other amazing video like this one, then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. And then don't miss any other amazing video designs and decorations. So guys, I am back with another beautiful idea about birthday cake decorations for boys. In different styles, different color combination and different sizes. Here are some amazing, delicious and eye-catching cake decorating ideas that suit both home and professional parties. I hope you enjoy my video. Most beautiful, most amazing and most creative designs. If you new my YouTube channel, then don't miss another amazing video like this one. Then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Please like, share, comment on my YouTube video. How to decorate your cake with a beautiful way. I provide you simple idea for your cake that is most essential, that is most creative. I hope you enjoy my video. Most beautiful, most amazing and most creative design. The creativity are mentioned on my YouTube video. Thank you so much guys for watching my cake designs. If you have any question about my YouTube channel, then please ask me in comment box. Cake decorating ideas can evaluate any celebration. Cake decoration ideas transfer space into bright celebrations. All the designs are very unique and trending. If you have any question about my YouTube channel, then please ask me in comment box. Thank you so much guys for watching my YouTube video. If you are interested in these types of design, then please visit my channel. I hope you enjoy my video. I hope you love the designs of creativity. I hope you love my cake designs. All the orange cake decoration ideas special for boys. Thank you so much guys for watching my YouTube video and collecting my beautiful channel in these collections, in these types of designs. I hope this design and this creativity are fantastic. I hope this video is very authentic and creative for your beautiful video and beautiful ideas. If you are interested in these types of design, in these types of video, then please visit my channel. These decorations bring the excitement of birthday person's life and make the party unforgettable. These designs are very unique. If you like any designs and if you new my YouTube channel, then don't miss another amazing video like this one. Then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Please make sure press the bell icon so you told any other amazing video like this one. Then please visit my channel and watch this video to end. Consider these theme decor matching the occasions. You can use each theme perfect for birthday celebrations, baby showers, bridal shower, groom shower, anniversary, professional party or any other celebrations. I hope you like this design with themed and color combinations. Whether simple or beautiful cake showcase love and celebrations. I am sure cake decoration ideas from this video. If you like any designs and